Hi, I'm Elwood, an application engineer from Shining 3D. Welcome to our unboxing of the FreeScan Trak Nova, a wireless multifunctional dynamic tracking and scanning system. This cutting-edge system is both innovative and uniquely designed, offering lighter and more portable solution, and can operate in multiple ways. Are you ready to see what's packed inside this compact case? Let's get started. Here's what's inside. TE Nova, our compact and versatile scanner. UE Nova, the technical engine of our scanning system. Not just a tracker, it doubles as a wide-range handheld 3D laser scanner. A tripod to mount the UE Nova. A calibration rod and system calibrator, essential for tracking mode calibration and ensure precise measurements. A router for seamless data transmission. Battery set, rechargeable and swappable batteries for both TE Nova and UE Nova. Wire connection USB hub, data and power cables, along with a power adapter backup option for wire connection. Dongle USB drive, marker pack, and 2 foldable calibration boards for wider range laser calibration accuracy maintenance. For wireless operation, both UE Nova and TE Nova are powered by swappable and rechargeable batteries, offering the flexibility to work without cumbersome cables. Once powered on, the scanning system connects to the PC via the Wi-Fi router. Operating the software reveals the scanner and tracker listed as connected to the top right corner of the interface. Additionally, the connection indicators on both devices will turn green, confirming a successful connection. That's it for FreeScan Trak Nova unboxing. Built for industries like energy, heavy industry, public utilities, engineering machinery, and civil aviation, FreeScan Trak Nova delivers accurate, large-scale measurements with ease. Small in form and big on performance, the future of tracking is now in your hands. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more product demos.